In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language in DAZN. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in DAZN.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to log in to your account. Now after you log into your account, you'll be led to the home interface. Wait for this interface to load. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. Click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. In this interface, you'll be able to access various options related with your account. So if you want to change the language, simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for language. Click on it. Once you do that, you'll be led to the language interface. You'll have to select the language in order to use the DAZN. You'll be able to find various languages over here. Unfortunately, the options for languages are limited. So simply click on the language that you would like to change to. Once you do that, click on this option, Save Language, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for it to reload. Now you can see over here the language has been changed. So that is how you change language in DAZN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.